Did I catch you? You breaking into the packages that just got arrived by Amazon? There's no dog food in there. It's kitty litter. It's nothing interesting for you, babe. It's her favorite thing, is ripping boxes apart. I think we should find her a job at a recycling depot. Hey, you. Are you comfortable out there? Did anyone give you permission to do this? No. All right, I suppose I should go out and put an end to this. Teach the dog bad habits. Yeah, you. You want to get off there, please? Would you get off there? Huh? Life with a young dog. Whoop! Don't fall in. Don't fall in. Bron, don't fall in. Okay, don't chew your leash up as well. No, don't chew the leash up. This is, oh, okay, I will. She does it with great gusto, though. She'll be driving that one around like a car soon enough. She has a tendency to like to be inside them. What are you doing? What is going on? You lunatic. You done? Done as... Fortunately, there's nothing much in there except kitty litter and a replacement light for the breezeway. Security lamp. You done enough damage there? Now you're all stuck now. Yes. Oh, I wasn't doing anything. All right. Are you done? You done? Nope. Hey, crazy one. Hey, crazy one. Hey? Woo! Whoa! All right. First, whoa! Okay, on that note, we'll say goodbye.